Hello everyone, I'm Kishan. Today I'll be demonstrating Monday.com, a comprehensive project management software. We'll explore its features, capabilities, and discuss its value in project management. So let's dive in. Let me share you my screen. Here we are on the Monday.com dashboard. We can create the dashboard by selecting one of the templates that have been provided in this software, or we can also start from the scratch. So let's add the board and select the project management over here. As you can see on the screen, there are various templates provided for the project management purposes, like project portfolio management, agile project management, etc. So for this instance, we are selecting the basic project management template. Let's select it. It will take just a while. So here we are on the screen. As you can see, there are three options over here. So let's select the getting started. As you can see on the screen, getting started provides you with general information regarding what's included in this template and what you can achieve, and basic information like here, like it is saying what you will achieve with this template, what's included, and information about columns, customization options, and views that it basically provides, like main table, Gantt view, and project report. And finally, there is an option for automations. It is one of the most important features of the Monday.com software. We'll discuss it later. So for now, we'll move on to the project overview. As you can see, you can name your project over here. Let's name it construction project. You can add the name of the owner. Let's select one and also add team members. You can also invite your team members in this software, and you can also set the launch date of the project. Let's add the random one over here. You can type your project summary and also add your goals in this section. You can also add or type files or other documents or link, etc. Now moving on to the project plan. So here we are. As you can see, it is the main table. It is basically like the work breakdown structure. So you can also rename it. So we are adding the initiation phase. So you can see the work breakdown kind of structure over here. There are deliverables. Once you click over here, you can see the option to add subtasks or activities, etc. Moving on to the next features, it allows you to share your files in real time so that your team members can collaborate in real time. You can also see your activity log, like your timing, who created this board, and so on. There is options to filter the log and so on. You can assign the owner each activity and collaborators to each activities. Like for this instance, we have assigned owners and collaborators. For each activity, you can see the status of them, like done, working on it, stuck, not started. And one of the interesting thing is that you can also customize it, like you can rename it and select the template colors and so on. So going on to the next feature, it allows you to see the screen timelines. So see, it is very convenient for users. You can also describe the priority for each task, and same goes for the priority task, just like the status one. You can also add more columns over here, like connection, priority, pass, text dependency. For this instance, we are adding dependencies. So uh, it also teaches you how to use those features. Getting downside, you can see the tasks that have been completed over here. Now moving on to the next step, which is Gantt view. It is basically like what you can see on MS Project software. So you can see your Gantt chart over here. Now you can also add various widgets that are provided. Now moving on to the project report tab, you can see the project progress in this section and tasks that have been assigned to various project team members. You can also find the incomplete tasks over here. You can also add widgets like we can in any other sections. Now you can also add various views like since we have already added table, Gantt view and chart, we will and calendar and Kanban. Since you can see the calendar, I'll be demonstrating how it can be useful. Like it allows you to add activities. Let's name it a meeting. It belongs to initiation phase. We will add owners and collaborators, and we will set its status to not started. Timelines, we can also select the timelines. So let's set the start date 9 April and finish date to 12 April. As you can see the timeline. You can also add dependencies like finish to start, all the four types. And you can also relate it to various activities. As you can see, the timeline appears on calendar. So it is very interesting features. Now moving on to the next view, which is Kanban. You can see the Kanban over here, and you can also add more views. You can add files. You can edit over here. Now, one of the most important features of Monday.com is that you can integrate various tools to the software. As you can see, there are various tools which you can integrate with software like Gmail, Slack, Microsoft Office, Zoom, and so on. So for this instance, we are adding Gmail. As you can see, we have selected it, and now it's time to select automation. So let's select this automation. So when status changes to done, send an item name. You can also type your email, like we are adding for this. It's done, and uh, we will be sending an email to one of our team members. So let's add it to the board. As you can see, we have successfully integrated Gmail to this project template. Once a particular task will be done, it will send an email to one of our team members that this task has been done. So these were the most important features about Monday.com. So in summary, Monday.com offers a comprehensive solution for project management with its customizable workflows, robust collaboration tools, and seamless integration capabilities. While there may be a learning curve for new users and cost considerations for new organizations, the benefits far outweigh the limitations. I would highly recommend Monday.com for organizations looking to streamline their project management processes and enhance team collaborations. Thank you for watching.